Welcome to SNMP Southbound Plugin load demonstration. In the previous videos, we were talking about MIP2M conversion as well as demonstrating some of SNMP Southbound Plugin functionalities. In this video, we are going to demonstrate SSB's capabilities to handle a large number of devices. First, we will take a look at our setup, how are all components interconnected and related. Then we will demonstrate connecting to a very large number of devices. We will finish with demonstrating SSB's strap processing capabilities and its impact on the system. On the deployment diagram, it's shown our demonstration setup. For us, there are mostly three components. First one is SNMP Southbound plugin itself, which we are going to test. Another one is support application. Support application is used to retrieve various status informations and also to set up devices in topology SNMP. And last one is SNMPM. SNMPM is mocked SNMP router, which can mock thousands of these routers. And there is one specific to SNMPM, and that SNMPM can be seen only by ODL running in same virtual machine, while SNMPM can send traps to every ODL running in our cluster, and we will be communicating with all our components using Postman. In this part of demonstration, we are going to show you how SNMP Southbound plugin manage large number of devices. So let's add 3000 devices to topology SNMP. I'm going to check status. We have added 3000 devices to topology. This connection process takes some time. We can also check network utilization. It's quite intensive. This is because every cluster nodes try to connect to device, and there is also negotiation between cluster nodes which one will be managing each particular device. I can also check CPU utilization. As you can see, there is moderate CPU utilization on every virtual machine. So all our devices are already connected, so we can also read from any of this device because of SNMPM. So let's read from one. Now we can read from a different one. And we can also read this data on every cluster node from clustering. In this part of demonstration, we are going to show you how SNMP Southbound plugin performs under a thread load. First, we are going to start at 300 traps per second, and then we will increase it to 5000 traps per second. So let's begin. And now we're going to check counters. So as you can see, here's our desired strap density, about 300 per second, and now we're going to check network and CPU utilization on our virtual machines. So for CPU, as we can see, there is very low CPU usage, and now we're going to check network, and as you can see, there is also low network usage. Also, we can notice on this one cluster node our virtual machine is much higher outgoing traffic. This is because this cluster node is leader, and leader is responsible for trap filtering and also redistribution to other cluster nodes. So now we're going to increase the density to about 5000. Done. Let's check it. So as you can see, our density is increased to 5000 traps per second, and now we're going to check again network and CPU on our virtual machines. So we can see network is already much higher. This is because communication between cluster nodes is much more intensive, and we can also check CPU, and also CPU usage goes higher. Now we are going to stop sending traps. And now we're going to check if every cluster node received the exact number of traps. So first begin at our cluster leader, and every cluster node is supposed to receive this number of traps. This one is okay, and now check third one, and third one is okay too, and also there must be exact same number of published notifications. So let's check notifications. So this is correct, this one is correct too, and this one is correct too. So this is all for trap load demonstration.